Hello, traders. FX Pip Collector here. Today is Friday, June 13th, and this is my analysis for the US dollar. If you haven't done so yet, definitely do check out my free Discord channel. It's a link down here in the corner at the end of the video. And make sure to take a look at my website, fxpipcollector.com. Watch the video on the home screen to learn more. So anyways, the I would consider that the 4 hour time frame definitely did break down. I mean, we don't have a break of structure, but it is definitely engulfing down. But the monthly, the weekly, and the daily time frame are all definitely still up. And we don't have a break of structure down, so we kind of need to assume that anything we see down likely is just a pullback within the higher time frame uptrend. Plus, to me, it really looks like a wave one, wave two, wave three. We might be in a wave four right now. So I would definitely be keeping very close eye on these fib levels, especially on shorter time frames for another long. So going down to the 1 hour time frame, I would definitely be looking for one, two, three waves down to a Fibonacci retracement level. Nice impulsive engulfing moves to the upside for possible long opportunities. Like I said, yes, the 4 hour did break down, but when all the higher time frames are up and the shorter time frames break down, you kind of need to assume that anything you see to the downside is nothing more than a correction to the higher time frame uptrend. So definitely still looking for longs on these sort of time frames, potentially for the continuation of the uptrend. So anyways, don't forget to like and subscribe. And as always, thank you for watching and happy trading.